Wow, I'm so wrong for doing this. I am so wrong for doing this, but I'm just a huge fan of the Big Hash. And before that was Audio Mark with Catch It and Garden by Tejo. These are all South African artists, amazing artists. I really, really love their music. I'm looking forward to Tejo's project because he is working on something currently. So we'll just wait for him to release. And yeah, I wonder if he's still signed under Family Tree. Is he?
Yes, he is. Thank you.
Oh, wow. It's him and Nadia Nakai who are actually still part of just the two. Imagine. Casper konke bayidlise yona akasitshela ukuthi ubadlise because everyone else left and they are just the only two, but I feel like just okay, well, three go Casper. Yes, but I think also it's good for Casper that he has only two artists signed under him because he is a businessman after all, and he doesn't have. No, not really. The more people you have, the more money you're making.
Yeah, but you don't just make money. You gotta invest in these people first. And unfortunately, people aren't like buildings. You have to like feed them.
Well, I beg to differ.
What?
I really
Do
do.
you not eat? Are you not?
I'm
going
an
to
investment,
gadgets to go
Lawa,
eat
and
after this?
it's not even. Wait, listen, it's not even gonna take some time for whatever artist Casper is taking in. It's gonna be like super fast, so it's an investment and a proper one too. I mean, Utejo J on his own, engabe Family Tree A1, because he's just that good. But anyway, I'm so glad that you're actually quiet because that means you agree with what I'm saying. Thank you very much. Thank you. Anyway, we're about to head over to Celebrityville, and I have a story. Zodwa proposed to her Benton. Drops mic.
That was beautiful. That is what you call equal rights. It's what you women have been fighting for, like the ability to do.
To propose.
Don't be selective in your equal rights. It goes across the board.
I mean, I'm going to be
still waiting
selective.
To see, like with equal job employment stuff, like I still want 50% women to be construction workers.
That's gonna happen, but proposing.
It's the same thing.
It's not.
It is the same thing.
And it goes against our cultural values also.
You agree with me, as a guy. You see, they're being selective.
Thank you, Ntiga. I know he agrees with me.
He's a mainstream nigga. One day you'll learn not to be politically correct. Beans.
No, bruh, it's wrong. Because one, okay, ubani goes okoki lobol. Who's gonna pay for the lobola? Is it Zodwa or Faga or Gainje in a lot of situations that he doesn't need to? He didn't want to be in. He probably can't afford. Who's paying for lobola? Silo? Answer us. Who is? Tell us.
Maybe Zota's family doesn't want lobola.
What do you mean?
That happens. You know, people go lobola.
Okay, who's gonna be the head of the house?
Zota's a head strong person. Maybe she's the head of the house. Why not she be the head of the house? That's what I'm saying to you. It's a land of equal responsibility, equal rights. Zota's doing what she wants to do because she's her equal. She's a man's equal, right? Right?
Wrong. Londi, what's your take?
I know.
No, guys, you're allowed to like just because she can doesn't mean you can't. Doesn't mean now that you must.
I go to be can't. We don't want to. That's the difference.
Exactly.
We just don't want to.
Uvumile umfana.
Yes, actually,
He said yes.
No. Wait, we're not sure. He didn't say yes.
Asimzwanga
There was
yes.
noise,
But he
and
took the ring
also, yeah, fine. That doesn't mean I'm saying yes.
The 5,000 rand ring.
5,000.
It's a man's ring. It's just metal. There's no
Boring.
I think hers was like
These
over
days,
40,000.
I'm a men's ring have like diamonds and stuff and whatnot. Like,
Yeah, I'm
girl,
not
do
very
better. Do better. Londi, what's your take on it?
Well, okokuqala le ndawo le iyangithusa ngoba ngiyaqala nokizo. Ngiyaqala ukizo namhlanje and ay uzodwa man Uzodwa kayithengela ngibhokisi a few months back.
Did she buy it?
Apparently she did.
For what?
For when she dies.
Oh no.
You would only do that.
No,
You would
guys.
only do that. That's normal. Why you guys?
I don't
Is
think
it
it's
normal?
normal. You planning for your
Yeah.
death,
Well,
not even
you
knowing.
can't- You don't think about it now because you don't have money to buy a coffin. It's not like
I would
there's a couple
even
of
if I
grand.
had
Even if
millions.
nginemali,
No, you think you wouldn't, but like if you were to just like, okay, now let me sort out till the day I die, and it's like, okay, I'm gonna have to leave money for X, Y, Z, and I'm gonna need a coffin. Let me get myself a nice coffin.
Oh no.
I know, man.
People do that.
Weird people do that.
Yeah.
Why is it weird?
Firstly, cemeteries ayaphela, so we all going to be cremated. So nje indaba zokuthenga amabhokisi dead.
Thank you,
Nowadays.
government employee.
It dead.
Hey. Hi, Bo.
Wow, Silo, you had to go there. You had to go there. But I'm really, really, really against this whole Zodwa thing proposing. Because first of all, this guy, soon he's going to find someone that he loves and he is going to propose to.
And umncane lo muntu lo.
He's
Isn't he like
very
23?
young. He looks like he's our age.
I don't know
Yeah.
why you guys, girls are doing this all the time with guys.
Mina
Equal
nginendaba.
rights.
Anginendaba. Ngisho mekuthiwa ngikuthanda
Like equal
kangakanani.
rights.
Okay,
I'm not going to
imagine
propose to you.
proposing-
You don't even help a guy pay your lobola,
Many-
bruh.
Yeah,
Because
like
that
you're
is
putting him
just
under pressure
wrong,
now.
How many
bruh.
girls do you know that are out there in that guy's position where the other person in the party is the guy with the money and they're living off that life? How many girls do you know? Just like, you don't have to say names.
That are living off guys.
Yeah.
There are a whole lot.
Exactly. It's the same thing. It's equal rights.
Ay, it's not the same
is.
thing. Silo, we like no. Let's just agree to disagree, bruh. Because wow, we are never gonna finish this. I'm just against it. Most people are against it. And we all know, like, go to
Why are you guys against it? Why are you against it? Tell me why you're against it. I don't understand why you're against it.
it's because of our culture. Tina doesn't allow maybe white people, okay, sure.
Nah.
It's because we're black. That's the only. So because
Because
Zodwa
of
is black, she
our
can't propose
cultural
because
values.
she's black,
But
which has a
biblically,
So you
that
couldn't
word
define
came
it.
out very biblically.
Biblically.
Biblically, also it says the man is the head of the house and the
What
woman
if Zodwa
bears.
doesn't go to church? Now,
It's fine, but she believes in her culture.
what
Therefore,
is the culture?
being Zulu, she's black.
But
And-
in Zulu,
That's
is
what I'm saying. Because Zodwa is black, she can't propose. Is that what you're saying?
Because I'm saying it's
Do you
because of her
understand how
culture,
stupid that sounds?
and it's also no.
No. We brought you saying culture. I'm saying you saying because it's black. You saying one
Culture.
thing, but you mean
Culture
you mean
has
'cause she's
nothing to
black,
do with
as
race.
black woman,
A white
a
person
black
can be
woman can't
Zulu.
propose to a
Okay, a
man.
white person can't
Is
be
that
Zulu.
what you're saying to me?
CeeLo, let's just agree to disagree, okay? Case closed. Bye. Thank you very much. That was the news that we have in Celebrityville. So come again next week and we will have more news. But roundabout now, we are going to play more music just before we leave you. And yeah, stay tuned. It is your girl, Minnie Tusi, with the booty.